If you look here, to replace this siding, we obviously have to remove this. If we remove this, as you can see, this siding and this siding, at this joint, the previous workers, they used these big siding nails here. They used nails with big heads. So if I remove this part, since there's barely any space, this part here will break. It's all like this. It's the same situation. In a case like this, here, it's all the same situation. This joint section, if I remove this siding, this area breaks, so I don't remove this area. By marking a line on this area, I'm going to cut this part out. So we'll just leave this part as it is. Right now, this wall. I drew a line here. By cutting here, just replace this small piece. Also here, by cutting this part, replace this small piece. Originally, this is where the siding and siding meet. This butt joint area it shouldn't be this close. Well, there's nothing we can do. I think we'll just have to proceed like this. To install the siding, there is existing siding in place right now. There is a nail here. These kinds of nails. These nails need to be removed. On the inside of this visible siding, there are nails like these. We need to remove all those nails. The siding goes inside here. These nails need to be removed.
Holy shit.
This area has been finished like this. Because the window was replaced, the siding around the window needs to be replaced. It looks like the work is completed. It will look good once it is painted. This was a simple project, but more interesting content will come next. Thank you for watching. I want to fish like that person.